Withdrawing funds held by Instagram can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Instagram account using the app or website. Make sure you are using the account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, go to your profile and tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. This section contains all the information related to your financial transactions, including your balance and withdrawal options. Step 4. Select Withdraw Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Choose Withdrawal Method. Select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information and confirm your withdrawal. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your account for confirmation and the arrival of your funds.